Hi everyone, this is Stacy in Japan. Welcome to my new apartment here in Seto City. I'm just going to do a quick apartment tour and see the differences with this apartment and my old apartment. They are both by Leopalace, so that basically means they are super compact, but they do come furnished. Okay, so I'm still celebrating a bit of Christmas here, yeah. Now I just decided to keep it because I got it from a school. So okay, so we enter through here, and right on this side is my shoe closet. Okay, but I do have plates and other things in there because storage is not the most fitting thing in these Leopalace apartments. Okay, so right after the shoe stand, which in my old apartment was like much further along the passage, but right after the shoe stand I have the washing machine, and as you can see I have my dish drainer on top of it, and you will see why. Okay, so washing machine and a little storage area. I've got some soap and some bleach and some cleaning stuff. Yep. Okay, right along the passage here, still got a box that I need to sort out, some garbage here, a messy kitchen, still quite small. So there's nowhere for a dish drainer right here. So yeah, moving right along, very small cupboard, very small, cannot hold anything much in there. Yeah, hence I have things like all over the place. Okay, small cupboard, moving right along, and we come here. Okay, let me close that door so you can't see it. To the bathroom and shower together. In my last apartment, the toilet was where the washing machine was basically, and the washing machine was where the toilet is now. Yeah, so the shower area was totally separated. Okay, but now they are like together here. They are together. They are together, yes, in one accord. Okay, moving right along, we do have some shelving up here. Yay, very nice. So I've tossed a bit of stuff up there as well. Of course, here comes the microwave area. Yes, it is right next to the bathroom. Right next to the toilet, more specifically. Microwave with some spices, you know. Gotta keep it natural, as natural as possible. Got me some fruits there, some seeds and stuff. Yeah, good stuff up there, good stuff. All my herbs and stuff right there. So this little cupboard thing cannot hold anything from the size of it, as you can see. Yes, let's close that up. Moving right along, let's go into the main living space. Woohoo! Nice and bright in here today. Loving the sunshine. Okay, so as you enter, immediately to the right is the sleeping area. Yes, sleeping area. And we have some storage there, which I didn't have in my last apartment, so I'm really happy for that. Haven't sorted things out as yet as to what will go where. And the cool thing about this sleeping area is that beneath it is ideal for storage. So lots of space for storage. I'm yet to sort that out. I'm yet to sort out everything. Still have some boxes on the left here to be sorted out. A nice full-length mirror there. Stuff to sort out. A little bookshelf right there with lots of things that do not include books. Yeah, my exercise mat being used by other things at the moment that I'm yet to identify spaces for. Yep. Mess. Don't pay the mess any mind. Okay. Cool steps to go up to my bed, but what is even more superb is that they act as storage spaces. How cool is that? I think that's super cool. Yep. Considering that this place is so small. Okay, so we have the television that came with the apartment, along with Wi-Fi and everything already established. Got some cupboards right above that area. Hey, there's Teddy. Say hi, Teddy. Yeah. Yeah, my computer bag is up there. I don't ask me if that's where it should be. Yeah, but hey, my computer is right here, so I guess, you know, good space. So, got one chair, two chairs. Okay. The pink and yellow bags are actually bags issued by the city as a welcome present. After that, we have to buy them for our burnable and recyclable garbage. Right, so my last apartment only had like two of these chairs. Let me move this, which was super duper uncomfortable. But now I have this one that has a back, which is so much better. So I don't have to think about buying a chair. Got my puzzle table here. You know, when I'm feeling overwhelmed with work, I come here to be overwhelmed by puzzle pieces. This is 1,000 pieces. I've never done 1,000 pieces before. I actually started this on my birthday, but because of everything that was happening and leading up to moving, it never got done. Yep, and I've got a bunch of stuff here that needs to be sorted out. Yep, but I'm just enjoying the sunshine today. Yeah. Yeah. So, oh yeah, the air conditioning and heating unit. Yeah, so when it's hot, I make it cool. When it's too cold, I make it hot. We've got our what do you call this? Closet. Closet is basically the same as my old apartment. Shelf area, hanging area. And it's the same thing on this side. Yep, same thing. Still trying to sort out my clothes. Yep. Yeah. Yep. I set up a line. They do not recommend that you set up a rope line, but they encourage you to use a pole. I do have a pole, which is right outside. See? Yeah, that's my pole, but I still need more space. I do not hang clothes like the Japanese do. They put them on hangers and, you know, yeah, that's how they do it. So this is through my window. Ah, beautiful today, but there are lots of mosquitoes. This is like a canal running right behind the back of the apartment. Mosquitoes like crazy. Right above on the banking is actually the train line, the local train line. Fortunately, it does not make that much of a noise, so it's not like disturbing or anything. Actually, I'm very happy about that. Because I was really like kind of depressed by the scene I had through the only window in my apartment. But so far it has been proving to be an interesting perspective. Actually, I did manage to bring my plants. I was going to leave them with my church mom, my Japanese church mom, but thankfully I was able to get the opportunity to bring them. So I'm really happy, you know, something to come and breathe with from time to time, and I can just pick right from here and enjoy. So I will allow you to see my face rather quickly as I end this video. This is Stacy in Japan. Thanks for coming on this brief tour with me. It's a bit of a messy video because I am using my phone, but hey, I'm just sharing with you what I'm experiencing. So bye.